Ooh yeah, welcome to burning down the house. We're cooking some stuffed barbecue chicken tonight on the grill. But I'm going to show you a little trick how to make that grill smoke up just like it's over wood. You're going to cook like a pit boss today, this video. You're going to get your ingredients together. You're going to get your peppers. Going to get your cheese, pepper jack, cream cheese. Going to get some chicken breast, boneless. Going to get all your ingredients with barbecue sauce. Going to go ahead and get everything together. Don't forget that bacon. Got to have that bacon. Look at all that. That's going to come out good. Let's get started making this stuff up. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start cutting them peppers. Cut them peppers open. Take out the seeds. Now, you can use any kind of pepper you want. It can be jalapeno, it can be anything. Doesn't matter. It's up to you how much heat you want. You go ahead and pick out the pepper, and then you go ahead and make that food taste the way you want it. We all have a different heat level. Now you want to get those seeds out of there. Now the seeds aren't where the heat comes from. It's from the white membrane inside the pepper there. So go ahead and cut that out. Get those hollowed out because you're going to fill those up with some cream cheese and some pepper jack cheese. And you're going to make this stuff taste real good. Just like that. Open that pepper up and remove all them seeds and remove the innards. Just like that. Hollow them out. Then we're going to get started on the next step. Let's go ahead and move on. Alright, now we've got a plate full of peppers here, ready to go. We're going to cut up some green onion. This green onion is going to be used as a garnish. We're going to put it on top of the chicken after the meal's ready. So go ahead and get that all chopped up nice and fine and just save it for the very end to sprinkle on the top. Gives a nice little flavor at the end and it just makes it look nice. But it also tastes really good. Gives it a little extra something something. Let's go ahead and move on to the rest of what we got to do here. Next on our list is going to be getting the cheese grated. Now you're going to grate this cheese up. You're going to cut off a nice little piece depending on the size of the block you got. You're going to want to have plenty of cheese inside this chicken now. Stuff it nice and full. Don't be lenient on your fillings. Going to give it a nice flavor. And pepper jack will just give it that nice extra little spice. Now you can use a different cheese if you want. You can use cheddar, regular jack, whatever you like. I like pepper jack in this recipe myself. Don't forget to throw them gloves on. Let's go ahead and get that chicken cut up. Gonna open it up just like that, and we're gonna pull these chicken breasts out. We're gonna cut them open, and we're gonna pound these chicken breasts. Gonna get these things pounded out nice and flat, and we're gonna make sure that they're ready to fill up with all the goodness that we're gonna put in them. Pepper jack cheese. You gotta put in the rub. Now whatever rub you want to put on these things, that's up to you. Whatever rub you want to put on them, you can put any rub that you like the flavor of. And see how I'm doing that right there? You got to get those things pounded so they're nice and flat, so you can go ahead and stuff this chicken right. I'm gonna cut open another one here, show you how it's done. Slice right through the middle there. Not quite all the way, but until you can butterfly that thing out just like that. And you're gonna flatten that piece of chicken out so you can fill that thing up. We're eating good. Yeah, this is gonna taste awesome. Ooh, can't wait. I just can't wait. I'm tasting it already. Now this is what's gonna be wrapped around the outside of the chicken right here. You're gonna get yourself some really good bacon, and that's gonna go ahead and be wrapped all around the outside. And it's gonna give it a beautiful, beautiful bacon flavor. And also, it's just gonna, just everybody loves bacon. I mean, what's wrong with bacon? It always makes things better, right? Look at that nice pound of bacon. A pound of bacon did about 5 of these chicken breasts, just to let you know. So if you need a full pound of chicken, full pound of bacon will do about 5 chicken breasts. Now we're getting the cream cheese out here. Get that on the plate. Get it ready to go ahead and fill in with them peppers. Now remember, you want to sprinkle a healthy amount of that rub on the inside of this chicken. That's going to flavor it along with the peppers and the jack cheese and the cream cheese. You're going to fill all that in, and you're going to wrap this up nice and tight. Get it wrapped up good. Yeah. Alright, I got barbecue sauce going on there. Oh, I love this barbecue sauce. This is my homemade recipe of barbecue sauce. And one of these days on the channel, if you subscribe, you're going to get to see how to make this barbecue sauce right here, everybody. So you're going to definitely want to know how to make this. This barbecue sauce has won competitions. And we're going to take this bacon out, and we're going to wrap this around the chicken. Now, you can change this recipe up a little bit here and there, whatever way you want to give a twist on it. I'll give a shout out to the Barbecue Pit Boys because they gave me inspiration on this one. I'll tell you, when I seen them make this, their particular recipe, I was just in love. I wanted to make it myself, so I did. And then I experimented, and now this is the way I make it. I make it a little different than they make it. You can change it up. Now if you want, more spice, you can have a spicier rub. You want more spice, you can use spicier peppers. You can use, if you don't want it spicy at all, you can use regular cheddar cheese or regular jack cheese. Again, there's no wrong way as long as you like the way it tastes at the end of the day. So you make sure that you enjoy yourself. Now look at this. This is what we're using to smoke up that barbecue right there. Gonna fill up this thing with some water, and look, this is in real time right here. This is soaking up all that water. This is gonna smoke up that barbecue real nice. You're gonna see it here in just a few minutes. We're gonna show you that smoke coming off that barbecue. If you want more, you can use a couple of these, or you can just use one, depending on how much smoke you'd like. But look at that. That thing's non-stop smoke. You close that up, you let that chicken slow cook on that grill, and I'm telling you right now, you're gonna have yourself a good meal. Now don't rush your food. Make sure that you just let it sit there and cook the right way. Let it cook good, and that's gonna be awesome right there. Look at that smoke. See that stuff puts out some smoke. Look at that steam coming off that chicken. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Cut into that. That's what I'm talking about right there. Stuffed barbecue chicken. Can't get no better than this. Enjoy.